Are you looking for a home in the perfect location, in the most gorgeous neighborhood, sought after Hutton School District, and hidden in the trees? I welcome you to the Front Porch Colonial. I'm Tanya Starkle with Avenue Stone Real Estate. Let's check it out. This impeccable home offers 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and an attached garage, and is just over 4,000 square feet. The perfect floor plan with an office and living room just off your entryway. Formal dining room leads to your brilliant kitchen with granite countertops, vaulted beam ceilings, skylights, all new stainless steel appliances with a multitude of cabinetry, gas fireplace, and wet bar located right next to your private patio with your soothing waterfall and koi pond. This home is indoor-outdoor living, ideal for entertaining and relaxing. Upstairs features the 4 bedrooms with a large master suite with French doors leading to your upper balcony and master bath with double sinks and walk-in closet. The lower level features a family or game room and the option for a 5th bedroom, a bathroom, plus tons of storage. Is this the home that will help create your family's memories? Share this video and call me today to schedule your private showing. I'm Tanya Starkle, and thank you for watching.